any major thing that you've experienced in your life, I'm positive that it will describe it. Just look it up. The North Node represents your soul's urge and the passion that it wants to pursue this lifetime. Think of it as like a North Star or a guiding light telling you what direction you should go into for your life if you want to feel fulfillment. There's a North Node that tells you where to go, and there's a South Node that represents the direction that you should be shifting away from, in a sense, and the South Node represents the habits and the things that you grew to understand and that you were successful at in a previous life. Here in this life, it's time to evolve and move away from those habits and those tendencies in order, to feel more fulfilled for yourself. And I guess you can compare it to like a dragon, where the North Node is a dragon's head, tell me where to go, and the tail would be the South Node. I guarantee you that if you look to see what your North Node and South Node are, I bet you it's going to describe any major thing that you've experienced in your life. I'm positive that it will describe it. Just look it up. Look it up. For example, I am a North Node Libra in the 9th house with my South Node in Aries in the 3rd house. And I'm also finding that people resonate more with what house the North Node is in compared to the sign. I've learned that for me, with my South Node being in the 3rd house, that suggests that I come from a lifetime of being hard set on the facts, being very logical, wanting to learn and research a lot. But with my North Node in the 9th house, now is the time to see the bigger picture and not get so caught up on the facts, and the logic. Now is time to broaden my horizons and be expansive and explore new territory and to teach higher wisdom. I don't think it's a coincidence that I went to graduate school to go get a PhD. The 9th house is all about philosophy, higher education, worldly travel, experiencing different cultures, different religions, and that is my sweet spot in life. It's what helps me feel good. But I have had to overcome my sort of over-analytical, over-critical, overthinking tendencies, which can be explained by the 3rd house where my South Node is. So in this lifetime, if I'm going to find fulfillment, I need to learn how to get out of needing to research endlessly and get everything right and correct and start opening my mind, being more expansive and seeing the bigger picture. It's not always about logic. Sometimes it's about intuitive guidance. If you were to check your North Node and South Node, what are they and do you resonate?